Good morning, guys.
No, it's afternoon. Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, guys. And me and my mom are gonna eat banana.
Yes, I'll show them what kind of banana.
I don't see.
Ayan, guys. Nilagang saging.
Pa,
Ang arte ni GM mabaho daw, hindi naman.
papaho.
Stop acting like that. I told you. Kain tayo, guys.
Why
Yan
would
na
I
yung
just
lunch
say
namin.
I'm gonna eat ma. I have this coconut. Okay,
So,
so
talk to them while mommy's eating.
and I'm watching TikTok. Then ang
Buti pa nilagang saging kainin natin kasi na kailangan ng ulam. Tipid, di ba? GM mo tuwang tawang-tawa. Mayo niya kasing kumain. It's really good.
Yeah, I know that since I don't want to eat it right now. You know what?
Malusog ng saging.
Sa aking sangking mangkamangkan pa ay
Saging.
sangking.
Talk to them in Tagalog.
Sangking mangkamangkan taaya
Ang taaya. Papaya, taaya.
papaya. What papaya?
Papaya.
Papaya.
Na taaya.
Sangking
Ang sangging-sangging saging.
sangking mangkamangkan taaya.
Mangga-mangga. Saging.
Ang gaya.
Ang gaya. Papaya.
Papaya. Sang
Yan yung tubig ko, guys. Oh, may lemon yan.
sangking why did you put a lemon? What is there's a lemon in there? That's it.
Eat banana first. Eat some banana.
No, I finished my tuna from that.
Okay. Oh. Tell them what you do.
Oh, I'm
Oh,
eating
here.
tuna.
So, ayun mo si Jim, guys. Tuna yung Tira niya yan kanina nung kumain siya.
Ay. Ay.
Kasi mahilig siya magtira ng pagkain. Tapos yun, babalik-balikan niya.
Oh, they eat ma.
Oh, finish that.
I'm not done.
I don't know, guys. So, what is... Ano kaya to? Let's open it.
Here, let's taste it. Let's taste ma.
Ay,
Hey, what's this?
I don't know.
Hmm.
Kanina, guys, napagalitan ako ng asawa ko.
So what?
Napagalitan ako ni Apam kasi
Where's grandma?
kumain daw ako ng matamis.
Sarap?
Masarap.
Yeah, sarap, guys.
Sarap, guys. Dali, sarap.
Ang sarap.
Sarap?
Yeah, sarap.
Pinartner ni GM sa tuna.
I eat tuna.
Yeah. Ayan, guys. Pang tawag dyan, pangatlong saging.
Something?
Yeah.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Sarap. Yeah.
Sarap ang saging.
Yeah, also tuna sarap. I'm eating tuna.
Kami lang ni GM partner lagi sa pagbablog. Kasi yung niya, yung ano ba yan?
Ang kasmate.
Classmate.
Chaka.
Joke lang. Kasi yung ate at kuya niya, kasi yung kuya niya, magbablog lang yung pagbibigyan mo ng pera kapal ng mukha.
Mamaya po. I have my own account on YouTube. I have my own account.
What's your YouTube account? What name?
JM. That's all. Let me check my.
Yeah, you have your account. You know James Michael? Yeah.
Good one.
Ay. Hurry up na. Sobrang init dito, guys.
Ang init.
Hindi ako makaakit sa taas kasi may may lasadang darating. Eh pag nasa taas kasi ako, nasa kwarto, hindi ko maririnig pag may tao sa labas. Sa gate.
JM Meyer. Look. JM Meyer.
Yeah.
Look, my account. Asut. Mangga manggam taaya. Taaya. Peppa Pig.
Hindi, nabusog na ako. 4 na saging kinain ko, di ba? So takaw. Mamaya, kakainin niya ni Hershey at ni B1 kasi mahilig din sa saging yung mga yun. O, GM. Si GM, ayaw niya kumain ng nilagang saging. GM, ayan na guys. Thank you for watching. Hindi ko na kayang ubusin yan. Apat na saging yung kinain ko. Busog na ako. Tapos si GM mo. Look, sugar yung tuna. Ayan yung tuna niya.
Pamaitat.
Oo. Yung century, sulit tuna. Yun yung...
What's up? So, I'm eating.
Tapos itong chocolate na dala ni Hershey from work. Ewan ko kung walang pangalan.
Sarap ma.
Sarap.
Yeah.
Si bye-bye na.
Bye bye guys. See you in my next video.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Wait lang.
Thank you for
Baba
watching.
yung tuhod mo. Down. Say thank you guys.
Thank you guys for watching. Go.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe, share, like.
Bye!
Bye bye.